Picture this. You're grinding away on the Tesla factory floor, bolting together the future of cars. Your hands ache, your back's shot, and come tax time, you're handing over thousands from your paycheck. Meanwhile, the guy at the top, Elon Musk, pays exactly zero in federal income taxes that year. Zero. Not a typo. Does that sit right? Or does it twist something inside you? This isn't some conspiracy whisper. It's real, pulled straight from leaked IRS records. In 2018, Musk's wealth exploded by billions, but his tax bill? Nothing. While the average Tesla worker, pulling in around $50,000 to $60,000 that year, including bonuses and whatever stock scraps they got, likely forked over $5,000 to $10,000 in federal taxes alone. You do the math. Who's really carrying the load? Let's rewind to 2018. Tesla's stock is rocketing. Musk tweets through the chaos. His net worth swells massively. But when the IRS comes knocking, he reports income that barely scratches the surface, and in that specific year, zero federal income tax paid. How? You might think fraud? Nah, it's the game. The one where owning beats working every single time. Think about your own wallet right now. That direct deposit hits, but it's already sliced. Social Security, Medicare, federal bite. Why? Because it's earned income. W-2 wages. The stuff you sweat for. But Musk? His fortune isn't from a salary. It's locked in stocks. Tesla shares that balloon in value, untaxed until sold. And he doesn't sell. Ever wonder why your raise feels like a trap? More money, more taxes. But for him, growth stays invisible to the IRS. But it gets sharper. Musk doesn't just hold. He borrows. Banks loan him billions against those unsold stocks. Cheap interest, no sale triggered, no capital gains tax hit. It's like using your house as an ATM without ever listing it for sale. You live off the loan, the asset grows, taxes? Deferred. Maybe forever. Relate that to your life. You need cash for a car repair, so you dip into savings or rack up credit card debt at 20% interest. High cost, immediate. But billionaires? They borrow at rock-bottom rates, wealth compounding tax-free. The system's rigged for scale. Small players get pinched, big ones glide. Is this smart business? Or just proof the rules bend for the top? Back to those Tesla workers, clocking in at Fremont or Reno, earning $40,000 to $60,000 on the line. Their paychecks fund roads, schools, defense. Musk's zero? It means someone else picks up the slack. Maybe you. But here's the repeat punch. Owning trumps earning. Again, stocks, assets, unrealized gains, they're the shield. Your job? The target. Dig deeper. In 2018, Tesla's pushing Model 3s out the door. Workers overtime, stressed, building his empire. Musk's wealth hits escape velocity, but taxes? Evaporated. It's not envy, it's exposure. The absurdity that a factory hand pays more than the visionary. You ever stare at your tax return, wondering why it hurts so much? While headlines scream billionaire breakthroughs. That's the confrontation. Finance isn't fair, it's engineered. For investors, not laborers. Why does the system let wealth hide while wages get hunted? It escalates further. This isn't isolated. Bezos did zero twice. Others pulled it off multiple years straight. The ultra-rich play a different board. Loans, deductions, structures, layers on layers. Your 401k? A drop. Their portfolios? Fortresses. Feel that implication? Your everyday grind funds the gaps they exploit. Not judgment, just the raw view. So it circles back. Musk zero, workers thousands. Owning wins. Earning loses. The absurdity lingers. How does this shape your next move? Your investments? Your doubts? It doesn't wrap neat. It stings. Tell me, ever calculated your tax hit against your boss's perks? Does this make you rethink fair share? Drop it in the comments. Let's see the real stories. If these breakdowns cut through the noise for you, subscribe. More is coming.